With the Sportage, this is an SX Prestige. It is wolf gray, so this is pretty much loaded out. You can see, look at this. Front parking sensors, full LED lighting. You can see fog lights just hidden down there. This wheel set looks awesome. Mirrors are folded in, but let's look at the inside. So this has what's called the Carmine Red interior package. This is so pretty. I mean, it looks really nice with a wolf gray. It's awesome. You can see a better view there, but this one's got the panoramic sunroof, of course. Y'all are familiar with this touch bar that's dual access, that's shared with the EV6, wireless phone charger. This one's all-wheel drive. You got front and rear parking sensors. You are going to have a surround view camera, as you would expect. But in the Sportage, you also have the AR, so you can see around the Sportage, which is awesome. Definitely one of my favorite things. They share this with the EV6, and some Kia Hyundai products have this, which is really nice. I'm going to get in this real quick. And this one has the upgraded gauge cluster here that's shared with some of our other products. And yes, you're going to have things like the blind spot view monitors on both sides. So this thing is awesome. Radar cruise control. You've got this interesting pattern here. This white covering is on it, but underneath you can see a little bit of it. But look at the interior design package that goes in to the door card. Got Harman Kardon surround sound in this thing. This thing is so sweet. I really, really like this. I'm curious of what you guys think of it because I think this thing looks cool. I'm going to turn on the headlights here, put on the hazard so you guys can see. Let's take a peek on the outside here. Look at that. LED indicators back here. Let's go to the back so you guys can see that. Look at that. LED rear lighting. Got the LED brake lights as well and the LED indicators. Got 4X to signify the all-wheel drive system here. So Kia's really changing it up for their SUVs. You can see underneath there, you got the top-mounted rear wiper. But this thing is just gorgeous. I love, love, love this thing.